Yo guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you some new updates that I've found for the Insta60 X3 camera when you are editing on your desktop computer. They keep bringing up new updates every so often it seems now, and I'm just getting to grips with some of these latest updates. So I'm going to jump over to my screen now, walk you through some of the latest things that I have learnt and show you what's new. Okay, so we're over in Insta60 Studio now, and I have the latest version, which is 4.8 as of recording this, and I've opened up a mountain bike video and I'm just going to walk you through some things that I've learned which you might find useful. So as you can see, all the normal stuff feels the same. What we're going to do is we're going to edit this video and I'm going to show you some of the things that I've just recently learned. So first things first, on the timeline bar here, we're going to just crop or set the start and end frame of our video. So I'm going to click the left bracket, pull that in, and let's just say we want to make a 30 long second video. Go to the start, and first things first, I'm going to add a keyframe, Command and K. And one thing I've realized here is that you can actually play around with the distortion on your camera. So this is really good if you want to do point of view videos like me for mountain biking. I didn't realize you could do this until somebody pointed it out to me recently, but what I like to do is go natural view, position this a little bit better, and then this button here, distortion control, you can drag this right and left to play around with the distortion. And I find for me in my mountain biking, anywhere between 0.2 and 0.4 is a really good and realistic looking distortion. Any more than that, it looks a little bit fake. And then you want to play with the field of view control, so we can drag this right and left just to play around with how much of my arms you want to see. Again, I probably usually go for around, let's just go 110. You can even type that in as well. And then let play. And then obviously you want to add another keyframe here. You basically want to add keyframes at the start and exit of every single turn or movement of the camera. Again, you may want to play around with these numbers to adjust how you want this to look. That's the first thing I've learned, you can add distortion to your footage. The second thing is up here on the right here. So we've got all these tabs here, and Insta360 keep adding updates to this, which is great. If we go on media processing, you'll see the media processing tab has changed a little bit. So if we want to add color plus or clarity plus to our video, you'll notice if we toggle this on, we actually have a strength now to play with. So you can see here that you can actually adjust the strength of this color, or you can turn on clarity, which turns off color plus. You can only have clarity or color plus, you can't have both. And you can see there, this completely changed the look of your footage. I don't usually play around with this too much. It's interesting to play around with, but once I've exported my video, I do a lot of color grading in another program. And then another thing I've noticed here is the audio mode. So this wasn't previously here on previous updates, but now you can choose in post editing in the studio if you want the audio to be coming from directional focus or not. So obviously let's just test this now. If I play this, so this is directional focus with the audio off. And let's now toggle it on. So you can see there that it actually sounds better with the directional focus turned off completely. I thought it would be the other way around and it would actually enhance it by turning it on. You can also play around with this voice focus and noise reduction as well, just to really enhance your video footage, depending on if you are in a high wind scenario or you want the camera to pick up more on somebody's voice, you can do that. That's really, really useful. So that's an update from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to keep making videos like this in editing tutorials and just showing you what I'm learning on this platform, because I feel it's a really, really good 360 reframing app for making really good 360 videos from your Insta60 X3. If you've got any comments on this stuff, drop them below and I'll make a video for you in response. And yeah, hope it was useful. See you in the next video.